Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of Autoblog Niche Profits Done For You bundle, which launched on the 8th of February at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. Not the snappiest title, but that's pretty much the only thing that's wrong with this release from Shane Paxton, because it is a really great set of 5 done-for-you niche blog websites. You simply install them into a WordPress site, and if you don't currently know how to install a WordPress site, don't worry, because I've got a bonus that will show you exactly how to do that. So if you're brand new, just started out, then don't worry about that. Very easy to set up and install. And you are going to get 5 really, and I mean really high quality. I'll show you one in a minute on meditation, which I absolutely love. Sites that are preloaded with Amazon and ClickBank offers, which you just plug in your affiliate IDs for. And the other good thing is that you don't need an API key. Whenever people make points to me about products that involve Amazon affiliate products as part of the mix, they're always saying, do you need an API key to set this up? And the answer is almost invariably yes, but not with this one, folks. You don't need your Amazon API key, you just need your affiliate link. So nothing could be easier to set these up. By the way, if there are, you can import stuff from other networks as well, so you can have exclusively ClickBank offers if you want, if there are any issues with Amazon affiliate. So they don't have to be exclusively, or they don't have to be the mix, but it's just that's the default setup for the sites. You just plug in your Amazon and your ClickBank links. So we will go through and have a look. It's pretty much everything you need is on the sales page with this one. There is no hypey videos or anything really. It just does exactly what it says on the packet. So if you like the sound of that, and this is a really good set, as I said, then listen on to this review. You can get them by clicking on any of these. Sorry, I forgot about my custom bonuses. So there are 5 custom bonuses with this. You can get them by clicking on any of the links underneath this video. There are 5 of them. Get them anytime before this countdown timer reaches 0, before clicking on any of these green buttons, at which time they'll expire. Don't want that to happen because they are custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with this product, because you can always come back to this page and back to this YouTube video when you realize that mine are particularly congruent. All right, so I'm not going to spend too much time on this one, because everything you need is on the sales page. There's well, there is a demo that you can actually look at the individual site. So we will be having a look at one. So I just happened to open up this site, Meditation Blogger, which I really like, and there's actually a really cool 5-minute meditation video here which I started to watch, and it's excellent. And I'm actually gonna sit down and go through this 5 minutes guided meditation when I finish recording this, because I think it's a really cool way to chill out on the sort of days that we have. But we'll have a proper look at the site in a minute. But anyway, how would you like to have your own niche affiliate site empire with this brand new amazing bundle of 5 automated done for you niche targeted affiliate sites ready to install and promote? They're custom designed and ready to earn you profitable passive income. If you don't like anything about them, they're all fully customizable, so you can change pretty much everything about these as well. And $17.36 is all you're being asked for the set of 5, which I think is a really good price. As I said, automatically publish Amazon products with no API keys needed. And of course, you can add ClickBank products as well. So we'll come back and go through what the individual sites are. But first, I just want to cover my custom bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page here. This video I'm recording will be here. What's Autoblog Niche Profits all about? The niche research has been done. Custom niche website design. We've made it simple for you. Easily add your Amazon and ClickBank affiliate info. So what am I going to throw in? Well, as I said, I'm throwing in this how to build a WordPress site tutorial, just to make sure that you can do the one thing that would prevent you from succeeding with this, which is not being able to install a WordPress website. Well, now you can, so that's all taken care of. Next, 7 steps to a successful blog. So what you're doing is you're building blog sites here. So let's give you a detailed tutorial of what it takes to make these blogs successful once you've set them up. So that is my second bonus. The third one, an 8-point plan to monetize your blog. Now this is over and above the inbuilt monetization from Amazon and ClickBank that's built into it. And to give you 8 more ways that you can monetize these blogs, folks. All right, that's my third bonus. Obviously, we're talking about plugging in ClickBank offers. It's important that we choose the right one. So this is 7 steps to ClickBank success. This is going to make sure that you bank loads of commissions with the ClickBank products that you're putting in here. And also, finally, with Amazon, 4 different ways that you can make money with Amazon. I'm including that. So highly congruent bonuses. I hope you will agree that complement the main product. So let's go and have a look and see what these 5 blogs are that you're getting. All right. So we've created a brand new bundle of 5 custom done for you affiliate niche sites for you ready to install. Each site's monetized with Amazon and ClickBank products ready to promote. 5 hot niches have been chosen, so all the niche research has been done. Each site comes with premium articles, Amazon products, video reviews, video blog and more. High quality custom niche affiliate sites. All you have to do is enter your IDs, and you've got, as I said, complete control over your sites using the WordPress admin dashboard. You can add your own header image if you want. You can change the colors, the fonts, the borders, the links, be as creative as you like. Your sites include special software that will allow you to automatically add as many Amazon products as you want without needing any API keys. Automatic SEO built in, automatic content syndication. Your sites come with software that will allow you to automatically publish Amazon products, reviews and articles. Your sites come with Amazon affiliate software that lets you easily add Amazon product images, ad blocks and links. Automated content posting and automatic WordPress updates. So these are your 5 niche websites. So you've got Meditation Blogger, which we're going to have a look at. You can look at all of these, by the way, by clicking on these live demo buttons. Music producer music production blogger, PC security blogger, hot topic, CrossFit blogger, and strength training blogger, all highly profitable and popular niches right now. So let's go and have a look at this meditation blogger. So what we've got here, we've got a rotator here with stories at the front. We've got obviously the first bit of monetization down here on the front. Got recent posts here, all of which are really cool. You've got this 5-minute meditation walkthrough video here, which I said is ace. Then you've got obviously your first set of Amazon products here. Then you've got lots of meditation gear down here that people can buy. More stories down here, more down here. And then you've got a video blog at the bottom here with loads of meditation related stuff and another banner ad down the bottom here. Don't forget you can change all of this to what you want. And then you've got all the categories down here. It comes SEO'd with tags. So you've got, if we go to featured here, then you've got your articles down here. Again, it brings up more stuff on the right hand side. You've got your meditation gear. So we go to that and they can get detailed products. Click on read more. Obviously they'll get details about that particular product. Lots of different images, look. Video reviews. And then all they had to do is click on the buy button and they can shop related products. This is as good as it gets, folks. Yeah, with done for you sites. I absolutely love it, I have to say. Really, really like this. All right, so let's head back because that's not all, folks. Obviously, I'll let you read the rest of the sales page, but you do get some additional stuff as well. Each site comes with Amazon keyword research packs, Google keyword research, and YouTube keyword research. And it's still not all, folks. If we come down here, you will see that you will also get 2 done-for-you Amazon niche stores. They are a yoga equipment store and a yoga clothing store. They are also thrown in, and it's still not all, folks. You will also get a complete niche content and site building package and 4 more done-for-you sites. Yes, on top of the normal 5, you've got 4 more, which are remove cellulite, golf swing, 6-pack abs, and save on auto parts. 4 additional done-for-you affiliate niche blog sites. Yeah, so that is I think a bargain at $17.36. There are 2 upsells, which are add-ons and additional blogs. They're both $17 each. So no high ticket stuff, no hype at all with this product. Check out those additional blogs and see if you like them. It's as straightforward as that. So if you want to pick this up and get all of these additional bonuses here, all you have to do is click on any of these green buttons here. That will take you through to the sales page. Click on the buy now button. And then that will bring you into your receipt area at Warrior Plus. Click on the green button there to access your blogs, and click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that, folks, is really all there is to it. I'm going to give this 5 out of 5 because I love it. I just think it's great. New income streams and really superb sites, superb quality all the way. So you can tell that I really like this. And that is pretty much it. All that remains is for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review video. I do appreciate it. If you've enjoyed it, do please click the subscribe button underneath and you'll be informed every time I bring out a new recording. Until then, this has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Autoblog Niche Profits Done For You Bundle.